Hello, and thank you for using the APIsec scanner. In this tutorial, we'll be covering how to deploy an APIsec hosted agent in your environment. Hosted agents are not required to use APIsec and should only be leveraged in appropriate scenarios. Let's get started. There are two pieces to using a hosted agent in APIsec: creating the agent within the app and then deploying it. Creating the agent is simple. First, navigate to the Hosted Agents menu on the left side of the screen. Once here, click New Hosted Agent. Enter a name for your hosted agent. Choose the environment where your hosted agent is being deployed, and download the installation instructions. You should automatically download a TXT file that looks something like this when opened. Instructions on what to do with the file can be found here. Once you've completed these steps, your hosted agent will be deployed and ready to bridge the reachability gap. Let's see what that looks like in action. Here in our app model, Setup Application Reachability is our next step. We are able to see the reason for this in the top left corner of our dashboard by clicking Reachability Status. Now we need to verify our instance URL and click Test Reachability. Currently our application is unreachable. This is due to the restrictions in place by the internal network. APIsec will automatically attempt to find and use created hosted agents available when this happens. If that fails, you'll be presented with this message. Let's go fire up that hosted agent we created earlier. If you look here in my console, I've already made the file executable. So all I need to do is run it to deploy the agent. Upon successfully deploying the hosted agent, you'll get a message like this one. After that, we can retest reachability to see if the scanner is able to find it. Perfect, we're now able to reach the instance URL with the hosted agent deployed. Let's kick off a scan to make sure. Progress bar looks good. This tutorial should have taught you everything you need to know to create and deploy an APIsec hosted agent. If you have further questions, please reach out through our Write to Us feature so we can further assist you. Happy testing.